So now let's see, the one who attained success, what were the things that he did? First, he tried to cleanse himself from within. To help cleanse himself, what are the processes he engaged in? وَذَكَرَ اسْمَ رَبِّهِ. He remembered the name of his Lord. He mentioned the name of his Lord. Now Allah didn't say Isma Allahi, He said Isma Rabbihi. When he remembered that his name, he acknowledged that that is not just anyone's name. He's not just the creator, not just the wise. The wise one, the creator, the knowledgeable one, happens to be my master. And I happen to be his slave. And if he is my master and I am his slave, I better act like a slave. What is the first act of a slave, practical act of a slave? The very next words, فَصَلَّى. Then as a result he made salah. Then he prayed. And this is an interesting nuance and play on words. By the way, the beginning was سَبِّحِ اسْمَ رَبِّكَ, and here وَذَكَرَ اسْمَ رَبِّهِ. For everybody else. For the messenger, a higher thing. Be conscious of the perfection of the name of your Lord, the Supreme. And for anyone, the beginning point. Just mention the name of your Lord, and the first thing that will be a consequence of that naturally will be, you will want to connect to that Lord by means of salah. Salah. Okay? So the contrast is, the one who attains the ultimate success, what's the final practical manifestation of it? Salah. One final nuance of this word here, Allah said, إِنَّهُ يَعْلَمُ الْجَهْرَ وَمَا يَخْفَى. Right? So that applies to our salah. He knows the outside of our salah and what is also hiding inside the salah. We're standing in one row all together. Everybody made wudu. Everybody's praying in the right direction. Everybody's making sajda in the same direction. Everybody's listening to the same qira'ah. But one person's thinking about what's home for dinner. And the other person's thinking, what did I leave halfway at work? And the other person's thinking, why is this guy next to me, a little bit behind or a little bit ahead? And the one person's remembering Allah. One person's actually remembering the name of his Lord and actually engaged and connected with Allah. They've left the world around them. They've completely connected themselves to Allah. May Allah give us that khushu' in our salawat. Then Allah tells us what keeps humanity from finding this right priority of success. In the end, قَدْ أَفْلَحَ, right? He attained success. If you ask any human being, what are they running after? Success. A student is running after success by graduating. A candidate is running for success by getting... So how come when Allah has explained this, people are distracted from this ultimate success? What are they running after? Allah Azza wa Jal makes you realize when He's giving you these lessons, who do they apply to? Don't think of someone else, think of yourself. بَلْ تُؤْثِرُونَ. He doesn't even say, بَلِ النَّاسِ يُؤْثِرُونَ. People prefer worldly life. No. He said, you have given preference. You have compared two things and you've decided one is more valuable to you. This is athara, by the way. To compare two things and decide one is more valuable to you than the other, and you give it more time and preference and priority.